Hi believers, this is Amit from Waya team, and I'm here to provide a weekly bite in the road ahead in the markets. In the previous week, Nifty and Bank Nifty closed flat, signifying a pause in upward momentum. The broader market continued to outperform for the second week in a row, with the Nifty Midcap Index rising 2.5%. The forthcoming trading week will be influenced by two events: the start of the third quarter earnings season and the inflation data. If the quarter earning ending December do not justify the valuation, the wider index euphoria will be challenged. Hence, we did not aggressively give the calls, although the mid cap index was going up. The October December period is traditionally a slow quarter due to holiday season in the United States and Europe, which are two largest markets for Indian IT firms. So, any disappointing results can cause profit booking in IT stocks. Nifty options data indicate that 21,800 level is an immediate barrier for the Nifty 50, with a break of this level potentially taking the index to over 22,200 mark, while 21,500 is a critical support area. Meanwhile, volatility fell substantially this week. The India VIX fell to 12.90 after constantly rising over the previous 5 weeks, making the trend favorable for bulls. Let me cover some of the interesting updates from the last week. In Q3 FY24, the Indian banking industry saw continued solid loan growth of 16% year on year, driven by strong retail credit demand and working capital across lenders. India's consumption story is also improving, with strong data being released. Let me cover some of the interesting data on India consumption. In 2023, Mumbai's real estate market has seen an astonishing resurgence, shattering records and setting new milestones. Revenue from property registration surpassed rupees 10,000 crore in 2023, a 22% increase over the previous year. The historic achievement represents the highest number of registration in a single year since 2013. The next is surge in Indian retail investors. As the market reaches new high, the new investors opening Demat account also reached a new high. The month of December 2023 registered the highest monthly addition ever. According to CDSL and NSDL data, the number of Demat accounts opened in December 2023 totaled over 41 lakhs, up from 27 lakhs in November and 21 lakh in December 2022. The entire Demat tallied surpassed 13.93 crore, a 28% increase over the previous year. This isn't a passing trend, it's a full fledged surge in the stock market participation. Next is how much food did India order on a New Year's Eve? The numbers are not even close to any guesses. On the New Year's Eve, Zomato delivered nearly as many order as we did on the New Year's Eve of 2015 to 2020 combined. This proves that India is a market for the delivery services offered like Swiggy and Zomato, but only one player is listed, which is Zomato. The final data which I want to share is the rise in income. According to the figures from the Income Tax Department, individuals in India earning over rupees 5 lakhs per year have increased 5 times from 3.8 million in FY12 to 18 million in FY22. Based on the rising income, the sectors like automobiles, especially four-wheelers, financial services, jewelry, hotels, real estate, brokerage services, and hospitals have a structural edge in terms of future revenue growth. This consumption theme is still running very strong. Therefore, investors should keep an eye on stocks related to consumption, and any stock decline should be viewed as a buying opportunity. On the global front, nothing much has changed this week due to the holiday season. Stock markets in the United States and Europe closed slightly lower as a result of the increased inflation in Eurozone and geopolitical uncertainties. For today's bulletin, that is all. Wishing you a great trading week ahead.